I have white, blue, pink.
There's no white.
My friends also.
Your friends put makeup on your cheeks?
You put my makeup. Wow, 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 wow.
Show your face. Show your face to camera. Very nice. You're a beautician. Good.
A makeup baby.
Makeup baby.
Yeah. Nice.
Very nice. You open this. What color do you have?
I have white, blue, pink.
There's no white. What color is that?
White.
It's not white.
Blue.
This is very tight, right?
You can do it. You can do it.
You can do it. You're a strong girl. Try.
Open this.
Okay.
Try this. Hold on. You want to do like this. Then it's working.
Oh, okay. Teach me, mommy.
Like this. Keep like this. Then open it. Okay, try it then. Try it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoop.
Yeah. You good? My friends also.
Your friends put makeup on your cheeks?
Nice.
Wow.
Now you close it. Then you want to put for me also.
Uh-oh. You want makeup?
Yeah, you can put in this one. This one.
I'll put this?
Yeah, you can put this on this one. This one. Oh, my colors.
Yeah. Do you like makeup?
Yeah.
Okay. Show how you put. Yeah.
You put my makeup. You put for me, okay?
Okay, Baba. Come, turn this way. Turn.
This is my makeup.
Yes, yes. But sharing is?
Carrot.
Okay, so is that why you put makeup on me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, put for me.
Yeah.
Okay, put it for me. Because sharing is curling. Try it for me. You can do it. You can do it. Then it shoulders to hold it.
Pretty girl. What is that you did like this? Show it to the camera. Come. Wow.
Like now you put this one. No. Like this.
Do like what? Who does that?
You do it.
Okay, mommy.
Like this.
How do you know that?
I told you, you want to put eyeshadow. 2, 4. I want color.
This color is nice. The light color is nice. Okay?
That's good. Now this one's color.
No. That's too dark.
Why?
This matches your t-shirt also. This color palette matches your t-shirt.
Yeah. This is.
Let's try this.
Let's try this one. This is yours.
Okay.
This is mine. You can try this one. I hold it.
Which color?
Lemon color.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
Just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes. Open your eye and see.
Another one. This one. This one.
Same color? Same color?
Yeah.
Okay. You like it? Yeah?
Now we put Aveyn colors into my cheeks.
No, we don't put blue on our cheeks.
No.
Like a little dolly.
Ma, thank you for putting makeup.
I love you.
I love you, man.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Show me your face.
Wow. Well, may I
Shall I take some pictures? Right.